Hey everybody, and welcome to Spark to Art. Our goal here is to bring together creative minds.
We are a community that takes on ideas, no matter how crazy they seem, and turn them into...
From astrophotography,
to sound and cinematography,
hyperlapse, and drones,
to slow-mo with phones.
what we want to do is create a community atmosphere and involve as many people as possible.
This is about your journey as much as it is ours.
So,
Join me, and together we can rule the galaxy as father and son.
well, maybe we'll save that for later. Until then,
Watch and learn with us on our journey from spark to art. We're done. Yeah. Hold on, pretty good.